Hello everyone. So in my last video I discussed about the removal of the LMIA points from the Express Entry program. Now people are wondering what are the other programs which will help to land in Canada and secure their visa for Canada. So there is a various programs, of course, where you can go there with the business investors program. You can go with the intra-company transfer. If you have here company in India, you can do an intra-company transfer and apply for the visa initially for the work permit, later on with the PR. The one program which is overrated in the market is the startup visa program for the Canada. Now people are proposing, the consultants are proposing, you can go with the startup visa program. But you need to understand how you can. So under this program, you can apply for the visa if you have an innovative business idea. And that business idea should be scalable and it should also provide the employment for the people of Canada. So if you are fulfilling all these three requirements, you can apply for the startup visa. Now here the question is how you can apply, whom you should approach, and what are the steps. So there is a very much limitations in this program. Like you have to secure your letter of support from any designated incubator. There is a limited number of incubators in Canada, and those incubators are also limited by giving you the LOS only 10 per year. If you are fulfilling these criteria, you have to find out the incubator who can help you to give you the letter of support. Now let's suppose if you got the letter of support or your project got the letter of support, which is maybe a group of 4 or 5 people. So then on the basis of that letter of support, you have to apply for your work permit along with your PR. So now when you are applying for a work permit, here the rejections in the work permit is a very higher. You might have heard the people saying, oh wow, you will get the 3-year work permit, simultaneously you will get the PR as well within these 3 years of time. But I must tell you, here you have to be very careful in all the steps. So stay tuned with me. If you are somebody who is looking forward to make your dream country Canada as your home country with the startup visa program, I will help you to understand the step-by-step process which will help you successfully to land in Canada. Thank you for watching. Take care.